Hello there, this is Michael Jensen from Daily Cash Team. You can see my phone number right here. Call me anytime, day or night. I will help you. I will answer questions for you. I will also answer questions for your prospects. If you join this opportunity and you don't know what to say, you don't want to talk to people, just send them to me. Give them my phone number, but I have to know that you sent the person to me. So send me a text saying, hey, Sally's going to call you and she has questions about the wealth step-by-step opportunity, and I will do all the selling and telling and answering questions. I've been in this opportunity since July of 2024. It pays me every month. It's residual income opportunity, and I can show you proof in my back office of all the payments that I've received at the end of the month, the beginning of the following month. Usually within the first 3 or 4 days, we get paid through Zelle, Cash App, or Venmo, or crypto, or however you want to receive your payments, PayPal or whatever. Here's my email address, that's my phone number, 352-286-8014. My email is 123localfriends@gmail.com. 123localfriends with an S@gmail.com. This is the wealth step-by-step opportunity. Here's my ID number, MJ8014. This is the link I'm going to put in the pinned comment and also in the video description. member-mj8014.dailycashteam.com. That's my subdomain, the affiliate link that I'm using. Go there, watch the video, click on the button, and follow the steps. So the next following video you're going to see is by Bob Peterson. Bob made the video, but I edited the video. So hold on a second.
This short video will explain what the big companies know about how to leverage the work of people and pay large salaries to the top managers. Most people never have a chance to be on top of the pyramids of these companies and the government. A 4-year-old company has found a way for people to help others to easily develop a residual income business and help themselves at the same time. See the legal documents and processes at the company website, Facebook page, and Zoom webinars. This is how it works and is almost unbelievable. Einstein figured it out. He said that compound interest is the 8th wonder of the world. On this diagram, see that you get 3 people to spend $30 per month and get each of them to commit to get 3 others to spend $30 per month and commit. Don't worry about the fact that they get benefit products worth over $30 per month because of the savings, education, and tools. That is not the point. Just tuck that away. Just think about easily recovering that $30 per month with your team duplication. Everyone has $30 per month they can get their hands on for a short time. For each of the 3 that they get to spend $30 per month and commit, they get a $25 one-time bonus. When they have their 3, they are earning on level 1 in the diagram $5 times 3 or $15 per month in the matrix plan. This is paid in month 2. So, they pay their $30, and near the first of the following month, they get $15 put into the payout account that they chose. The next month they pay $30, but they have $75 plus the following month's $15 per month. In those later months, that is $15 to help cover the $30 they paid. But each of the ones they sponsored had agreed to get their own 3, who also agreed to get 3 to pay $30 per month. The next month, that is 9 on level 2. That means they are receiving $5 times 9 or $45 per month. So now in that second month, they are getting $15 plus $45 or $60 per month. Levels fill even in this discussion. Normally, vertical spikes of sponsorship occur faster than horizontal. For example, Mary will get John, who gets Sue, and so forth vertically. You can get paid on all of these down to level 7 and soon level 8 when it is activated. You only need to have your 3 personals to get the account earnings on levels 4 to 7 and later 8. Let's get back to the horizontal build example. Each of the 9 committed to getting 3 to spend $30 per month, so now there are 27 on level 3. That is $5 times 27 or $135 per month. The total for their 3 levels is $15 plus $45 plus $135 for a total of $195 per month. Each of the 27 committed to getting their 3 to pay $30 per month, who would also commit to getting their 3 committed distributors. That is 81 times $3 or $243 per month on the 4th level. By the fifth level, you are at the value of using your phone to get the $1,000 per month mentioned. You now move to a life-changing income potential of many thousands of dollars per month. No one is doing anything but asking people if they use an Android or an iPhone and following through. They also post their daily activity on our Facebook page or send an email to their sponsor once a day. They also post their daily activity on our Facebook page or email their sponsor once a day. This motivates their downline and accomplishes the important feature of pushing people up. Get going, you won't regret it.